Hey y'all, it's me, your girl Karosi, aka Karen. I know it's been a minute, but I am back like I never left. I know y'all are like, Karen, where have you been? What have you been up to? Well, I'm gonna let you know everything in this video. I actually tried to do a sit down and talk video and it just wasn't working out. So I was like, you know what? Let me do what I do best, which is makeup, and I'll just have to do a voiceover. All the products that I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box, by the way. I just wanted to chit chat with y'all, but it's gonna be hard to focus on the makeup and talk at the same time, so you can just watch me do my makeup while you listen. Thank you. I do want to apologize for being gone for so long, and I want to apologize to the people that care. For the ones that don't care, this is not for you, but thanks for watching. Still love you. For the ones that do care, I really do apologize for being gone for so long. I wanted to take off like a month, and it turned into almost a year. Yeah, so I apologize for that. But life has been lifing, mostly in a good way though. God has been blessing me tremendously, and some of the things that he's done for me, I'm just like, whoa. I do want to share it, but not yet, because not everybody watches is for you. So I'm gonna share that a little later on. By the way, whenever you don't see me on YouTube, I am always on Instagram. My Instagram is KarosiG. I'll also list it down below in the description box. So for those of you that follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've been traveling a lot. This summer, I went back to my hometown, Jamaica. Woohoo! I actually did a whole vlog, and I never got around to editing it, and I never posted it. But I still have all the footage, so maybe I will do that. For now, though, I will insert a little snippet of everything that happened in Jamaica. I did post it on my Instagram, so I'll just take whatever is from my Instagram and just stick it right in here. I love going to Jamaica, y'all. It's just something about going back home and smelling the air, and the vibes is different. I just feel so at peace. I know I'm gonna have a good old time, because one thing about Jamaicans, y'all, we know how to have fun, okay? Plus the food is good, and just the whole atmosphere is different. So this year we rolled deep, my whole family. It was about 17 of us. We spent about 7 days there. We had us a good old time. Of course, there were some hiccups along the way, but that's to be expected when there's such a large group. But overall, we had us a good old time. I just had to pause real quick. I'm doing that with the makeup, okay? I'm loving the eyes. It's looking good. I'm about to blend out everything, and everything's gonna come together. I loved how my makeup turned out this day. You're gonna see at the end. I was going out on a little date with hubby, and sometimes, I go with no makeup, sometimes with a little makeup, and then there's other nights where I just want to go all out, like go big or go home. And tonight was one of those nights. Anywho, we also went to the Georgia Aquarium in Atlanta. I believe that is the biggest aquarium in the US. I'm going to double check, but I believe it is. And my son wanted to go really bad. And, secretly I wanted to go too, because I've never been. And I was excited because I love stuff like that. You kind of, as an adult, you live vicariously through your child. So you start to do things that you remember doing as a kid, like going to Disney and all that stuff. So I love stuff like that. I'd be like, oh yeah, it's for my son, but deep down it's for me as well. And low key, my husband had a great time as well. Shh, don't tell him. Anywho, so we went to Orlando, but I go back and forth to Orlando a lot. My husband has family in Orlando, so that's like my second home, and I always have a great time when I go out there. We went to a water park. Of course, you can't go to Orlando without going to a water park or going to Disney. I've been to Disney several times, so it's like, yeah, we just wanted to spend time with family. We went to the water park, we went to the pool, we did a lot of water activities, so we had a great time out there. Let's get into this look. Look at these lashes, y'all. I think I only paid $1 or $2 for these. I get them from the dollar store. The dollar store be having the best lashes sometimes, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this look is giving. Okay, this look is giving. Y'all, I've gotten so much better at makeup, and I do my makeup in such a short amount of time now. I remember when I first started, I don't know what the heck I was doing. I thought I was doing it, but when I look back, I'm like, girl, you weren't doing nothing. Let me not say that. I be trash talking myself. I really trash talk myself a lot. I need to stop. Now I'm just being annoying. Like, I didn't know which clip to put in at the end, so I just put them all. But I will be inserting 2 clips from my Instagram at the end, and hopefully I get around to posting the Jamaica vlog. Look at me talking about, I love it. So extra. But yeah, that's what I've been up to, y'all. I just been living life. And as far as YouTube goes, I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on myself. I'm just gonna like go with the flow, because I noticed that it took the fun out of posting. That's one of the reasons why I took a break in the first place. And I started to put pressure on myself after I got monetized. Like, more eyes were on me, and I don't know, the more eyes that were on me, the more I shied away from the camera. Going forward, I'm just not gonna put a lot of pressure on myself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye. Period at period. Oh, okay.